Good evening, Ken at Tortoise Capital. This is the coaching portion of the nightly podcast from December 8th. Agnieszka on the 5-minute U.S. Canadian dollar pair. She plays the collapsing dragon short. Might have added a second position at the 2-hour battle drill here, but collects 3.2 at the edge of the dragon. I love that. I think a reasonable collapsing dragon reentry short, and then when that doesn't pay off, she cuts it right away to net 3R for the day. Well done. Kyun on the collapsing dragon here. Now he plays the OR3 first. It doesn't work, so he cuts it short right away, but he's got to recognize that's a collapsing dragon. Then you get paid about 3R, and here, instead of losing 1R on a couple chases, you end up making 3. This is a great re-entry to get paid, a great re-entry to get paid, another entry to get paid on the SSC, so well done on this follow-through, very disciplined, but we got to be ready to trade that in both directions right from the opening. This is a different look at the pre-trade and extended hours trading. That's a different world altogether. Stay out of that. And then this one should be short, really, because what it's doing is rejecting all of that. And you can see that the price wants to be down here. So good insights from Ken. Here's a series from Eugene using the OR5 with some core and turbo trading. What he notes is the PSAR flip, a breakout above the resistance levels, long with the standard risk, sells into the decay of signal for 4.5. There was a COTA 2 in here available because you have a high and a lower high, but still we'll take 4.5 and have a nice day at work. This one was a great short because you think it's going to close. Cuts it short, re-enters here, and gets paid and nets out basically zero. So that's a great disciplined move, targeting a return here. Now notice he cashes it when it doesn't follow through to the expected target. It just is holding at the support. It wouldn't surprise me to see Alcoa make gains later in the day. Here's Cliff, OR3, OR5 breakout. Gets paid, gets a quick second position on. When that doesn't pay off right away, he gets out for 1.1. Very disciplined. Here he is netting some gains in Ulta, getting quick second positions, third positions in, and some nice work all the way through. Yeah, he notes he let that go a little bit longer than he might have wanted. Here's Constantine on the gold dollar pair, and at the resistance level, he notes the collapsing PSAR and the PSAR flip and crushes us for 7.5, gets that second position on the next collapse. That's just how you do it. Here's a Coinbase trade, PSAR flip long, selling into the decaying weakness right as the R10 rolls over. So that's all. It's done. 3.2. Great short on the PSAR flip, waiting with discipline. Nice re-entry for a scratch, micro gains, and that's 3.2 for the day. Well done. Nolan is committed to just going short on Tesla today, so he does get the PSAR flip. Nice cover. We might have retried another one down here or here, which would not have lost money, but that's pretty good shape. I do like the COTA 2 re-entry here and then the quick cut. That might be enough, that double bottom for an SSC that we might have played there, but if it's not part of your trading plan, then don't do it. And 1.1 starting to feel some internalizing the skills around the 500 trademark. That's normal. This one was late because he was trading a different symbol in the metals. Gets paid. Pretty good shape. So we'll get this published and posted. Good job from the team. We'll see you on Friday night.